In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can set up a payment method so you can accept payments on your website on Wix. So this is a very simple thing to do. The first thing that we need to do once we are on our Wix dashboard right here is you want to go to the left-hand sidebar, scroll down to getting paid, and then select connect and set up. Once we select this, you want to select other payments, or you can click on connect PayPal if you want to accept PayPal payments. If you click on other payment methods, there is built-in ones on Wix, or there is third-party options that you can choose from. So you want to figure out obviously the platform that you will use to accept payments. A lot of the people and the most common will be Stripe. So for example, if we scroll down and then we select third-party options, you will then be able to see an option for Stripe. And as you can see, once you go ahead and see Stripe, you can click on connect on the right hand side. Once we select connect, you will then be able to click on yes switch if you've already got an option set up. So once we click on connect, what we will now be able to do is enter in our email address right here. And then once we select submit, you will now be able to enter in your password. Now, once you enter in your password and click on submit, what that will do is it will log you into your Stripe account, and then you will then be able to connect this to your Wix website. Once it is fully connected, that will mean that you can then start taking payments through Stripe or any other payment provider that you do connect to your Wix account. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can set up payment on your Wix website.